Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and you people are fast. I just did a video on this and it hadn't been out just a couple of minutes, and somebody said, why did you show us how to do it this way when the Smart Fill tool would do it better or easier? Well, because in this case, if you have something in your drawing, the Smart Fill tool is not going to work. Now, it actually would. You could actually nudge that over and you could left click and right click and go up to object and break the curve apart, and then you just have that outside shape. But instead of going through all that menagerie, this is when you'd want to use the virtual segment delete key and then just join this by taking your shape tool, clicking on that, select both of them, go to Windows, Dockers, join curves, and just join them. And then it's all one piece. So there's two ways to do some things, but one of them might be longer, but one of them might be very necessary if you can't use the easy one, the easy one out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.